Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is another Louis Vuitton unboxing. This one is actually from Poshmark. I bought it from them, so let me just cut it open and I'll show you guys what I got. So it's actually, the Multipouchet accessory strap. So I already have the pink one. If you guys have not seen that video, ooh, I dropped the knife. If you guys haven't seen the video of my multi-pouch accessory, I have it right here so you guys can see it. So this is my multi-pouch accessory, and of course it comes with the coin purse, and this is the strap. So when I originally got it, I got it in pink because mostly I use pink, but right now with the season, I was thinking, you know, khaki, or they call it khaki, but it's like a green, like olive green. I think I would use it more. So that's why I was trying my best to get it. Well, what happened was, how cute. So it's authenticated and it comes wrapped. So every time, this is the second luxury item that I buy from Poshmark. And this is not a sponsored video, but in case you're interested, what I like about Poshmark is they authenticate the item. Like I've said in my other video, if you guys have not watched it, I'll put in the link below. I bought their green, the scale blue, Neverfull pouchet bag, wristlet, whatever it's called. I can't even think right now. So I bought it from them, and it always comes with the authenticated card that they authenticated the item before you receive it. So it's 100% authenticated before you receive it, and then they always wrap it in this cute tissue paper. I'll show you guys the other video, like I said, link below. So this is for the green strap, like I was telling you guys. I originally had bought it from Louis Vuitton online, and they're retailing for about $9.50 plus shipping and taxes. Well, shipping's free, but taxes. It was a little bit over $1,000, like $1,020 or something, what I bought it for. But it's been about 3 weeks and I have not received it. So I really didn't want to be waiting for it. So I was looking through Poshmark, and there's people reselling the strap, of course. This one's brand new, that she didn't use it, that's what it says. But it doesn't come with the box like the one you would buy, because of course the person that sold it to me bought the multi-pouch accessory with the green strap and sold it separate. So I just wanted the strap. There's no point in me ordering everything. Of course, the one from Louis Vuitton does come with the coin purse, and it comes with the strap all together. The one I bought, I just ordered the strap. I didn't care to have another one because I already have one, so I have two. So I am going to call Louis Vuitton and probably cancel my order or return the item if it's already shipped, but it has not shipped, and it's been about 3 weeks. So yeah, so this is the gold one. This is the gold hardware, and it's going to be the same gold hardware. The only difference is going to be green. And it's going to have the little hook, so I can hook this and I can use it. If you guys didn't watch my other video, I did buy this monogram shoulder strap that I did use to go to a pumpkin patch this last weekend, I think. To use it on just the large one from the multi-pouch accessory, but you could probably use this. I bought the brown one because, you know, we're in the holiday season, Thanksgiving season, pumpkin patch season. I feel like the brown would go better than the pink. That's the reason I bought it. But originally I had ordered, the day after I ordered this one, I ordered the green one, and it still hasn't arrived. And this one I already used it, you know, so that's why I got this one. Well, sorry to make this long video, but I know you guys are interested in this. I just thought maybe that information on these would help you guys on something. So let me just open it up. Oh, they wrapped it really good. Okay, so let's see how it comes. Okay, so it's in bubble wrapped. Yeah, it didn't come with the dust bag or anything because of the same thing that I'm telling you guys. And then it comes with a card, I guess. Oh, they sent me a thank you card. Okay, let's push that aside and let's open up the So as you guys can see, compare, this is a strap. So it's already been authenticated, like I told you guys. But let's see. There's some scratches to it. I don't know if you guys can see. So maybe it's been used, but it still looks in very good condition. Or, you know, shoulder straps. This one, I've only used it once, and look. That is one thing I do want to tell you guys. Look. It already looks scratched. I don't know if you guys can see. And I only literally used it once for, like, I don't know. Like, maybe I did use it the whole day. But it already, the little hooks are already scratched. So that's something you can't really avoid. Like this one, I have not used it, and look, it's already kind of scratched, and just by having it. But I've used this, and the hardware, look, I used this one once. The hardware is already kind of scratched. So that's something that does happen. If you guys didn't know, I guess it does happen. Look, the bag is like brand new because I only literally used this one once for a party. And I just hanged it like this. So it's kind of cute. And then this one, I used it last time. You know, with all this stuff going on, I have not really used my bags as much. What I actually been using a lot is the small set from the Accessory Poshmark that I bought. Let me show you. So this is what I've been using. Like, this is my go-to bag. If you guys haven't watched my video, I did buy the Accessory Poshmark set. Honestly, I have not even used the other ones. I've been using this a lot. Just throw my carts in there with all this stuff going on. Just throw my carts in here and put them in my jacket bag, like my jacket pocket. And that's how I've been going to the store. And the keys in my other hand. And that's what I've been dealing with. I know a lot of people love this one. And I'm like so excited to use it already. Have not used it, but I mean, you can hang it in a bag or anything. But back to the strap. That's what you guys are in this video for. Let me show you guys how it looks. So this is the same, adjustable. Let me show you guys. This is mine. Well, they're both mine, but this is the one I had first already. See? And then same. If you guys are wondering, look, this is authentic. Yes, it's authentic. Exactly the same. Stitching's the same. See? Everything looks exactly the same. Just want to show you guys because some people are kind of iffy about buying stuff. I was one of those people, and thankfully I researched and I watched some videos, and that's how I got into buying stuff like this. So that's why I do recommend the website. I mean, like I said, it's not sponsored, but I mean, this is the second item that I buy, and you know, it's authentic. It looks nice. I don't see anything like no stitching. It doesn't look used. Like I'm telling you guys, it looks brand new. The person selling it was trying to sell the bag and split it because it's really hard to get this one. I mean, I took a while. If you guys want to watch my video, I'll put it in the link below for this one when I bought this one, and I'll definitely put the link for this strap. Everybody has been liking this video a lot. How you guys can use it, I've also told you guys before. I've seen people use it so many different ways, so which is so cool. I mean, comment down below if you guys have any cool ways to using any of these straps. I bought these 3 so far. That's the straps I have, but I feel like they're so versatile and you can use them with so many bags. The big bags, the small bags, whatever. Like I told you guys, I put them on this one, I put them on that one. You can even use it on, you know, any bag. So anyways, that's that for this long video that I made for you guys. But this is the cute little strap that I got and added to my collection. Stay tuned for my next video. I did actually purchase an item from the 2020 Christmas collection, so it's on its way. I should get it in a couple days now. So if you guys are interested in that video, make sure to like this one, share, and subscribe. Till next time, bye guys.